In this video, I am going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to N8N. The process is simple and I will walk you through step by step. First, open your N8N workspace. If you are starting fresh, click on Add First Step. If you already have a project, just add another step to your workflow. In the search bar, instead of looking for ChatGPT, type openai. That is the name of the integration. Once you find it, click on it. Now you can choose which action you want to use. For this example, I will select Create an Assistant, but you can choose any action you prefer. Before you can use it, you will need to connect your OpenAI account. To do that, click on Credentials, then select Create New Credential. Here you will be asked for your OpenAI API key. To get this, go to openai.com. At the top right, hover over the Login button and select API Platform. Log in with your OpenAI account. Once you are inside, click on API Reference in the top right corner. On that page you will see a section called Authentication. There you will find a link to Organization Settings. Click on it and it will take you to the page where you can manage your API keys. Click on Create New Secret Key. Give it a name, for example Test. You can leave the project as default. For permissions, you can choose Unrestricted, Restricted, or Read Only depending on your use case. Then click on Create Secret Key. Your new key will appear. Copy it immediately because you will only see it once. Now go back to N8N and paste the API key into the credential form. The organization ID field is optional, so you can leave it empty. The base URL should stay as it is. Click Save. N8N will test the connection, and if everything is correct, you will see a message saying the credential was created successfully. That is it. You have now connected ChatGPT, also known as OpenAI, to N8N. You can start building workflows using AI inside your automations.